Hello everyone, today I'm going to present about JongMaiHUB, a service reservation web application. There are many times that services are not available for us when we need it, or even if we can make an appointment beforehand, there might be some inconveniences that prevent us from making those appointments. So, because of those problems, we come up with a solution of creating a web application that customers can easily make appointments, and the service providers can also easily manage the appointments as well. These are the core features for our web application. First, we have an authentication system. Second, we have the service browsing system. The next one is the most important one on this list, service reservation system. There is also a service rating system. For service provider side, there is a service management system. And lastly, the additional feature, line integration. And on the right hand side is the mock-up of the main page for our web application. Let's dive deeper into the features. We will have an authentication system where users can log in with their existing Google or Line accounts without having to create a new one just for our website. It will be used for user identifications for all the customers, service providers, and staffs. Next is one of the most important features, the service browsing system. The customers can browse through the services available on our website alongside with the staffs and their specialties for each service. They can also filter out to narrow their searching. Next one is the key feature for this web application, the service reservation system. The customers can make an appointment on a specific date and time. The customers can also select the staff that suits their preferences. The customer can cancel or reschedule their appointments after they have booked them. And after the customers use those services, they can rate those services that they have made an appointment according to their experiences after usage. The features that are already mentioned are for the customers. Now let's talk about the service provider side. Service management system. The service providers can manage their service reservations or appointments from customers. They can also cancel or reschedule those reservations or appointments as well. And one extra feature for our web application is line integration. Users can interact and use JongMaiHUB via Line application. Let's take a brief tour to our time schedule plan. The first week will be for planning the development. The second week will be the development initialization. On the third week, we'll create the core features for our web application. In the fourth week, we will be for authentication system development. And on the fifth week, we will integrate Line application. And for the last week, or week 6, it will be for deployment the application. Here is the team members in our. I am Jullaphong Jiamwatthanaloet. There are Pichayanon Toojinda, Yasatsawin Kuldejtitipun, and lastly Sukprachoke Leelapisuth. The cost for JongMaiHUB is 300,000 to 400,000 baht. 300,000 baht will be for our core features that I have mentioned earlier, including authentication system, service browsing system, service reservation system, service rating system, and lastly service management system. And the other 100,000 baht will be included if you want the line integration feature, which I recommended that you to get it as well. Thank you for listening. If there are any questions or things that you want to know more, you can leave the comments down below or contact us at jongmaihub@gmail.com. Thank you for listening.